Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Chrysler Pacifica Touring L, stock number B9793P. 19,000 miles on this Pacifica, clean auto check history report, dark Cordovan in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000 mile bumper to bumper, and a 7-year, 100,000 mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000 mile maximum care coverage, power sliding doors on both sides of the van. This Pacifica seats 8, leather interior, stow-and-go seating allows second and third row to fold into the floor. Windows do go down in the sliding doors, along with power venting rear quarter windows. It's a very safe vehicle. 5-star front and side government crash rating. Backup camera, rear parking sensors, power liftgate for convenience, deep storage while behind the rear seats, lots of space for cargo or for those seats to fold back into, hooks on the back side, perfect for plastic grocery bags. Folding those seats is very easy, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. Power sliding doors operate off the key fob or a simple pull of the handle. And the seats are in the upright position. You have all the additional storage space below. This Touring L has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, touchscreen display for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air, as well as heated front seats. Compass display, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. 9-speed automatic transmission with a rotary dial shifter. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices. Lots of storage space in the center console. And a spacious glove box with the owner's manuals inside. Overhead. Liftgate and sliding door controls. And HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Pacifica has a 3.6 liter V6, 297 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the van. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 28 on the highway, and approximately 50% tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.